assignments. Okay, I have to record it because there are few parents who have not joined in. I missed it out at the start. These home assignments that are coming across to you, you need to send us a photograph of that as well. Because one, we do not want you to sit and teach the child. Okay, we want the child to be able to do the home assignment on their own. If you feel that the child is not able to do the home assignment on their own, please inform it on the group so the teacher can take it up in the class. Okay, we want teachers to teach. We don't want parents to teach in the house. All right. So if you feel that the home assignment child was not able to complete by himself, then please send it back to us saying that child could not complete it. So we request the teacher to help on this. We will take care of it in the class. But if the child has completed, please do not check it, correct it, and then send it to us. Why? Because if you have checked it and you have corrected it, then the teacher is under the assumption that the child already has understood everything and I'm getting perfect submissions. So the teacher is not able to gauge whether the child made a mistake and I need to help the child somewhere. Okay. So if you are going to check it and correct it and send it, then we are going to assume that the child knew it perfectly. So do not check it. If the child completed it and the child is confident, you might just want to say, if you found a mistake, are you sure? Do you just want to recheck? The child says, no, I'm sure he correctly had. Okay, click a snap and send it. Okay, let the teacher come back with the correction because the child will understand the teacher's language better. So do not look to correct your child's home assignment. Do not look to check it. Do not look to help the child. Okay, just send it the way the child has understood. It helps us as teachers gauge whether the child has understood it the way we want the child to understand. All right. Now, when we have games or class tests in the classroom, we notice that a few parents sit around and prompt. Please don't do that. Your child is in grade 1, you're not. Okay. You have passed grade 1 long ago. I know it might be exciting for you to know that you know the answer and you want to help, but let the child do that job. They are in grade 1. Okay. And trust me, let your child learn that it is okay to not know. मुझे नहीं पता है तो वो okay है. It is all right कि मुझे नहीं पता है. That's absolutely all right. They are small. There are many things that they will not be knowing. So it is okay for them to not know, but it is not okay for them to not know, look at you for a solution and then give the answer here. Then your child is not learning. They are not becoming independent. They are becoming heavily dependent on you because every time we ask a question, they look left or right. And then we know that they don't know. But then we can't tell it to the child and teach further because the child believes that I give the answer, which means I know. So the teacher misses the opportunity to reteach. See, it's our job to keep teaching and as many number of times as needed. But if you are going to think that you need to help your child with a grade 1 answer, please go to another room, answer it for yourself and feel good. Do not answer your child when your child is in class. When they have any games or competitions, we don't want you to guess it for the child. It's the child's job to think. When we are doing certain games in the class, we are doing that because we are instilling the thinking capacity in the child. Okay? You have already achieved that. So don't prove it with the child. It's not going to help the child. Okay? If the child is coming to you asking, please tell me, what is this? I know you know it. You can say, I know it. I want you to think and find out what it is. I will not help you with the answer. I'm not in grade 1. That question is not for me. That question is for you as a grade 1 person, not for me. So I cannot answer. Okay. Please do not answer for a grade 1 child. Even when there will be class tests, do not prompt the answer for the child. Do not tell the child, ये तो तुमने सीखा था, तुमको तो ये पता होना चाहिए था. How come you're not answering this? No. See, the beauty part of this online classroom is you get to know how the entire classroom setup is going on. But that is not supposed to give you the leverage to keep correcting the child every minute. No, don't do that. When your child in a physical school, in a proper classroom, the teacher takes care of that. It's the teacher's responsibility. So let us do our responsibility. All that you need to do is just observe. You're just there sitting like a shadow. You're only there to observe. You're not there to keep prompting for the child. Next, do register on our Facebook pages. You will get to know a lot of things that we are doing. There are many multiple Facebook pages on which we also write and discuss about a lot of things. Do give in your opinions also on that. And the next point is PTA member selection. Like every year, we will be having a PTA member selection this year as well. Now we will open it for the whole classroom by asking you to volunteer for the PTA member. Okay, the PTA member is basically the bridge between the parents and the management, or the teachers, or the principal. But here we have kind of, bridged that gap by allowing you access to everybody in the whole system. Because we believe that the whole system works as a parent, teacher, management, everything together in favor of the child. So if there's anything that needs to be done in favor of the child, immediately post it on the WhatsApp group. So all of us have access to it, and we are not waiting for another 6-month PTM to come and then solve it at that time. Okay, so if you have any concerns, immediately raise it on that WhatsApp group. Whichever teacher is relevant to that, she will immediately respond to it, or give for 24 hours or something. We will come back with a solution. But don't wait for a PTM. We are telling this to you upfront. Okay, we are all here to do things in benefit of the child. You have all our access numbers. If there's any concern, please raise it immediately. Then about logging in on time. Children need to log in on time. I remember in our orientation, I had mentioned this, that have a clear space where the child is going to sit. So the child feels ki ye mera classroom hai. Every day I come around that place, that's my classroom. Don't keep switching the child's classroom space. आज kitchen में बैठा, कल bedroom में बैठा, आज bed में बैठा, आज sofa में बैठा. Don't keep changing that space. Because even we as adults, we would like a specified space for our work. We would find it very odd to keep switching our desk every day. वो comfortable नहीं लगता है. So if your child has a specific space, it is very comfortable for them to relate and leave away all the other distractions. 2, if you're going to be having a specific space for the child, please ensure कि आपकी नजर हो उसके सिस्टम पे कि वो क्या कर रहा है. Is the child keeping his video on, off? Is the child constantly playing with the phone or the device? Is he fidgeting with the system? Keep an eye on that. ये मत सोच लेना कि आपने सिस्टम दे दिया बच्चे को, I can be out of the room. Don't do that. Please keep an eye on what your child is doing on the system. Some other day, I will have a discussion on internet with children at this age. But let's remember that as adults, it is our duty to keep an eye on the child system, because let's remember that system has a live YouTube channel available for disposal. Okay, children should be kept an eye upon whenever an online classroom is going on. And that incidentally becomes the parent's responsibility. And as teachers, we will keep asking you to, open your video, open your video. The moment you hear this from us, quickly go to the child and check what the child is doing. This is necessary as parenting for you to do that. So you know if the child is on the screen itself and actually having some network problem, or has switched on to some games or some YouTube videos and watching something else. Because see, for children, it is not very easy to break all those walls and get into things that they want to. They have the whole system with them. Aur kya chahiye? Okay, and they had it at their disposal for 3 hours. So let's be a little more vigilant when they are using any system with internet access. The classroom is supposed to start by 8:50, 8:50, 10 minutes to 9. So the teacher starts the prayer at 8:50. Typically, if there is no network issues from the teacher's end or anything, classroom will open at 8:45. All right. So let the child wear on their bag, put everything into it. Snack box भी parents भी आदत लगा दो कि snack box pack करके आप दे दो उसको, ताकि वो break time में kitchen में ना घूमे. Snack box उसमें pack करके दे दीजिए जैसे school जाता होगा, right? Pack it and put it into the bag, so the child is coming with that entire concept to the classroom. 8:50 is prayer time. All children are given their list when they are supposed to be doing their prayer time, right? So just prepare something for them. They are saying their prayer. 9 o'clock class will start. If your child is coming delayed, then your child is missing out on the concept that was started in the class. It will be difficult for teacher to keep repeating it every time. 2-2 मिनट के बाद कोई लॉगिन कर रहा है, वो क्या करता है, क्लास को भी डिस्टर्ब करते जाता है. फिर टीचर को समझ में नहीं आता, should I repeat because 4 people just enter the class, or should I just continue respecting the fact that the remaining class was there on time? We usually prefer to go with a little bit of leverage time, but always respect the person who came on time. So we want you to ensure that your children are coming to school on time. It may just be from going from one room to another room, but they need to come on time. Okay, this is pretty much what we had to say. And I think I will close my conversation with this. I will open it up for Padma teacher if she has anything to say, and then we'll open it up for parents one by one.
Thank you, Kavita. Good morning, parents. You all know me because we keep meeting during the school hours, right? Not physically. Today I can see your faces, but I can hear you all. And thank you for guiding my children, being next to and doing our duty, our teacher's duty, and guiding them accordingly. I'm happy that parents are doing that 100%. So yes, online, it's a new experience for you all as a parent, for us as a teacher, and for the child. For the first time, they were supposed to be in school, but now they are at home. That's computer age, so let's accept it and enjoy it the way we can. Yes, of course, when it is computer and technology, there has to be limitations, which Kavita clearly mentioned that this is what we have to. And our worry is that they should not be exposed to things before age. So be very, very vigilant about what they are doing, how they are doing, and let them enjoy the class. You can see our children laughing. You can see our children smiling on the net, and they are doing the activities. So the school is going live, even if it is online. This is involvement teaching, so the school is going live, and I can see that parents is also involved in that teaching, which makes us more energetic and enthusiastic about that. Yes, parents are enjoying, and that says that you all are doing a good job. Well, coming to y'all as a grade 1 parent, it was very difficult for y'all to decide which school to enroll in, and then in that case you all have trusted our school. It means it's a clear understanding that you all are looking some change in the field of education, and so you chose the Head Over Heels school. Definitely the school is different from any other school, and there are other factors which you all have gone through, or Kavita spoke about it, you read about it. And I promise, as the head of the team, as the head of the school, that we will do everything that we have promised. But here I only request you all to please cooperate, because you may not know what is the psychology or pedagogy behind this. So trust on us, and we will do the needful. Any question that rises in your mind, please write it as if you are talking to a family member to ask for a solution. Don't be very formal, I am saying. I am repeating that. Don't be very formal. It's a family, it's for the child. We all are here for our children. Write it that this is something that my child is saying and I need a help for it. Trust me, we have a psychologist, we have a team who will take care. We are also experienced teachers. We will definitely share our experience saying this is what you're supposed to do and this is where you can keep a balance. So thanks for trusting the Head Over School and the team. And over to you all. I would like to hear parents about your experience and also some suggestion or words of appreciation if you feel that we need to have some appreciation for what we are doing. Please feel free to share that experience and suggestions and advice, or something that you really want your child to do and it's not being covered in the curriculum. You can ask us. We may add to our curriculum if we think that it is in the favor of child and we are able to fit it into our strategies. then we will definitely do and take your suggestion positively. Yes, parents, parenting is not easy. I understand. And having school online is definitely not easy. But my all appreciation to this young parents who are taking their children, grade 1 child, online and teaching them to their fullest. So thank you very much, and hope you keep the same spirit till the end, till the child is back to school with us. Thank you for playing our part. Thank you very much. Yes, over to parents. Anyone who would like to take the lead?
Any parent, yes, can just raise their hand, and we will. Yes, Nimit's Papa, please go ahead.
Yes, I would like to thank all the teachers who are putting efforts. I can see the difference, clear difference between other school, between the other schools and the head over hills. The methodology which you guys are putting in. So it's yeah, thanks for that. So I would like like to have some suggestions, like maybe like for I consider for my kids. So maybe let's have some more focus in the class in the communication, because what happens, like especially for Nimit, if I understand, he has less focus in the class because his listening activity is little bit less. He try to just check the video and maybe just try to play with the laptop and all see. So maybe having more communication in the class, maybe especially in the English, that would help much, because like Nimit is very comfortable in the Hindi, but if he gets little more tendency to speak in English, then it would be good experience for him and learning as well. Another point I have is like since kids are more attractive to have videos, right, to see videos and learn, so that's good thing. But if we keep like repeating the videos but they do not understand what is happening in the videos, so let's say if a teacher is playing video and if they try to explain on the same time rather than playing video for let's say 1 minute, so the child only see the picture but he doesn't understand okay what is happening in the video. So maybe playing video for let's say 10 seconds and just make him understand, make them understand, okay, this is what we are going to teach you and you have to understand one by one, because their communication is not so great, or maybe their understanding power is not so great at the grade level, grade 1 point, so that they can understand the entire video. So maybe yeah, playing video is good, but making them explain each and everything from the video would make sense more. This is my feeling, yeah. But remaining things, yeah, yeah.
Thank you, sir, for this feedback. Yes, we consciously do that if the video is really difficult for the child to understand the language or the subtitles given there, we do tell teachers to explain that and then go slowly eventually to the next part, or which is called as like bit concept learning. So you teach, then you go ahead, then you teach, then you, so it's like you take bites. Yes, teachers will do that, and that's there in our curriculum. That's how the teachers are also going to go ahead with the plan. Thanks for your suggestion. It's a very, very valid suggestion. Thank you. We shall follow this, and we are following it.
Sure, thank you. Yeah, that's all I have.
Thank you, Sach. Definitely. Anyone who would like to? Yes, Guru Raj. Guru Raj parent would like to say something.
आवाज आ रही है मैम?
हाँ जी.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
हम जो पिछले वीक में जो एक्सपीरियंस किया है टीचिंग का, वेरी गुड. वी आर ओनली जो निमित के पापा ने बोला वही मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम है कि ज्यादा वीडियो बच्चे स्कूल छूटने के बाद भी मोबाइल ही ज्यादा देखते हैं, तो उसमें वो वीडियोस का उनका दिन भर लगा ही रहता है. तो ठीक है, वीडियो अच्छे है, वो उनके समझ में थोड़ा सा नहीं आ रहा है. 50% वो देख रहे हैं, इग्नोर कर रहे हैं.
I think his network has dropped, right?
He's back.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी.
हाँ, तो इंटरेक्शन टीचर का वीडियो से ज्यादा अगर टीचर्स इंटरेक्ट करेंगे और उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो वो अच्छा रहेगा. वीडियोस ठीक है, लेकिन वीडियोस से ज्यादा अगर टीचर वो स्टोरी अगर टेल करेंगी तो उनको डबल एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जैसे जैसे स्टोरी रन हो जाएगी टीचर के माउथ से, तो वो बच्चों को क्लियरली समझ में आएगा. आप पिक्चर दिखाइए, वो भी अच्छा उनको अंडरस्टैंड हो जाएगा. बस मेरा वही है। बाकी टीचर सब अच्छे जॉब कर रहे हैं और बच्चों को समझ रहे हैं और बहुत जल्दी बच्चे भी उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट हो रहे हैं और नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ जो है बच्चों की वो भी कम होने से टीचर को भी आसान हो रहा है हर बच्चे के पास पहुंचने के लिए। तो यही हम भी यही चाहते थे। वेरी गुड। और जैसे जैसे प्रोग्रेस हो जाएगा वो बच्चे के साथ और अच्छा हो जाएगा, यही हमारा कहना है।
Right.
ओके, सो क्या है कि जब भी हम कोई वीडियोस यूज करते हैं वो एक्चुअली हम फिजिकल क्लासरूम में भी यूज करते हैं बिकॉज दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ऑडियो विजुअल एक्सपीरियंस। ओके, अब जितना कलरफुल ऑडियो विजुअल एक्सपीरियंस होता है उतना हम हर समय क्लास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज जो एनिमेटेड वर्जन ऑफ सम टॉपिक है वो बहुत बार बच्चों को ज्यादा आकर्षित करता है, ओके, एज कंपेयर्ड टू just a physical person doing a few things. So in some classes, we do use a lot of audio visual because that also is one way of building language. Now, several times what happens is in some of the higher grades, when the teacher is the only one talking, and especially it being an online mode, अब क्या है कि टीचर ऊपर नीचे चलते फिरते ऐसे टॉकिंग नहीं कर पाती है, राइट, जो टिपिकली क्लासरूम में हो सकता है कि कभी टीचर क्लास के इस कॉर्नर से डेस्क के कॉर्नर तक गई, पीछे से आगे आई, जैसे हम सब ने हमारे टीचर्स को क्लासरूम में वी वुड हैव सीन देम डू देयर वॉकिंग, नो, क्लासरूम में पूरा वॉकिंग करते हैं। व्हाई टीचर इज ऑमनी प्रेजेंट, क्यों टीचर चारों तरफ चलती है, ताकि बच्चा भी एकदम ऐसे स्टैग्नेंट बैठने के बजाय ऐसे 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 थोड़ा देखते रहे। So there is a physical body movement when the teacher is walking around in the class, and then a storytelling has a different effect. But when it is online, टीचर यहाँ से हिल ही नहीं सकती है, टीचर को स्टैटिक यहीं पे रहना पड़ता है, बच्चे को भी स्टैटिक वहीं पे रहना पड़ता है। So this is one particular drawback of a online classroom where the teacher's movement is restricted. She cannot go and hold on to a child or sit next to a child or just कई बार हमने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है, हमको भी अच्छा लगता है, टीचर स्टोरी बोलते हुए क्लास में घूम रही है, वो फर्स्ट बेंच में जाके बैठी है, मुझे चाहिए कि अब टीचर मेरे पास आके बैठे, मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा, आई विल फील गुड दैट माय टीचर सैट ऑन माय बेंच, we are not able to do that. So what we try to do is connect differently through the child's language, and that child's language becomes the cartoonish effect which they usually tend to prefer. Also, when at this particular age, when they have just come out of pre-primary and gotten into primary, especially if English is not a language that is spoken in the house commonly, following that language will be a little difficult. Similar to many children, the way they feel with a Marathi or a Hindi, okay, where घर में यूजुअली हिंदी या मराठी नहीं बात करते हैं, लेकिन अब स्कूल में हिंदी या मराठी सिखाया जा रहा है, so the only way I get attracted to some story in an online class is through a cartoonish story. But if the same thing the teacher has to keep saying as a story, no matter how much voice modulation she does, with experience, we have noticed the child does not feel attracted. Okay, so what we will try to do is we'll take your feedback, we'll try to see how we can mold it. However, language will not be learned in such a short time. Language सीखने के लिए हमें बहुत समय लगता है. And if the language is new and you are only going to speak that language for a few hours in the whole day, like a half hour in the class, then your child is learning only to that extent. Then they need to build upon that very regularly to learn it much further. So if they speaking English or not being able to speak English or not being able to reciprocate in English is the concern, give a little time, give at least 6 months. The first thing for us to do is build your confidence. कि तुम गलत भी बोल रहे हो तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन उस लैंग्वेज को बाहर लेके आओ. तुम कम से कम बोलो, तुम भले नॉन ग्रामेटिकल सेंटेंसेस बनाओ लेकिन तुम एटलीस्ट बोलो। अब मैं ग्रामर को करेक्ट करूंगी एज अ टीचर। सो लैंग्वेज जो है ये सीखते 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 आता है और बच्चों को बहुत समय है लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए। हमारे साथ वो अभी 2-3 हफ्ते से जुड़े हैं, हमको भी थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए। बच्चों पे हम ट्रस्ट रखते हैं कि वो जरूर सीखेंगे, हम उनका हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे और उनको सिखाए बगैर हम छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं। So at least let's give them 6 months, that is at least until Diwali time, that they start building on the sentences with confidence. Okay, they have to build that confidence in a language, then they will start learning the language. But until that confidence is built, we have to just give them some time. So let's not judge them at all right now. They are too small, they are just learning. We are not here to judge them. We are here to teach as many number of times as needed. So we are confident that they will learn the language. Let's just have patience with them that this will come in some time. So that I hope will, take care of it. Don't worry. They will definitely learn the language.
True. Very true. Language is learned.
Thank you. Thank you, Guru Raj's father. Thank you.
Language is learned through listening and observation. कई बार ऐसा होता है एक्शन देखकर उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये क्लैप है या ये हैंड जॉइन है, राइट? तो बच्चा आराम से उस एक्शन को देख देख के दे हैव देयर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दे कैन कॉम्प्रिहेंड द वर्ड विद द एक्शन, and that helps them to grow and understand the language. So as a parent, as a new parent of grade 1 child, ये problem या ये सोच रखना is very natural. But as an experienced teachers, we would say that that will fall in place very soon. Let them, हम तो exposure देने की कोशिश करें. Through all means, we are trying to give this exposure online. We have puppet show in school offline. We have, the outside classroom learning offline. Online, the only thing that we can bring all the characters in that frame is through videos. And videos will help, more exposure, more color, everything. So the child will pick things according to the concept. So teacher is taking the ownership of making the child learn the concept. Child will pick everything that is of his or her interest. And then you never know, one fine day the child will say, "Hi, dude." You never know. And you will say, "Wow, अरे English बोल रहा है." पर वो slang बोल रहा है या hello, good morning बोल रहा है, उस पे हमको ध्यान रखना है. तो बच्चा वो यूरेको मोमेंट आपको जरूर देगा. It's just that the window time where you have to be patient and trust the child कि आएगा, अब आएगा, अब आएगा. किसी के पास 2 महीने में आएगा, within 2 days. किसी के पास it may come after 2 weeks, और किसी के पास it may come after 4 weeks, but it will definitely reach you. Their learning will definitely reach you. So thoda just be patient and be confident, your child will take it. And thanks for sharing this, because it's also it needed an understanding as a parent, so that you trust कि हाँ video चल रहा है ना, चलने दो.
Any other parent who would like to share something, speak something, say something? Any other parent? Okay, Reyansh's mother is raising her hand. Yes, Reyansh's mother. Yes, Sita, I just noticed you. I will open your mic as well. Just give me a moment. We'll just talk to Reyansh's mother and then come to you, Sita, okay?
Hello, good morning, ma'am. Sorry, I joined a little bit.
Good morning.
So actually, I have really positive feedback for the school. Actually, I was not happy with the previous school, and then I enrolled here, and I don't need to sit with him. The first thing is, I really don't need to sit with him. And second, all the teachers are handling so patiently online, and giving them proper attention and giving them time to understand things, going slowly. So this is really, Riyan started enjoying the school. Earlier he used to like, mama kab class khatam hoga and kab school khatam hoga, kab 12 bajenge, बहुत परेशान होता था. But now he's really fine with all the lectures, and I see him responding. Otherwise earlier he never used to respond, and in earlier school उसका turn नहीं आता था, तो he get like मेरा नाम नहीं आता है, ये नहीं. So yeah, अभी he's very happy, and I'm really it's been 2 or 3 weeks, and I see the progress actually. And he's interestingly, he's doing everything, whether it is PT, drawing, mathematics, English, anything. I mean, everything. If he don't get the answer, so if he says wrong answer, then after the class he tells me, "Mama, मेरे से गलती हो गई, मैंने गलत बोला." But then, yeah, he's enjoying. So I'm really happy, and I'm really happy to choose this school. So thank you, ma'am. I hope he learn. I mean, through the entire year, he learn the go through the first grade properly. So I'm good. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rian's mom.
I must
It means
appreciate
a lot.
Yeah, your books are really good. I mean, the books are really designed. I mean, very thoughtfully. So it's really good. I mean, I'm happy. I was having a lot of concerns before enrolling, but then now after 1 month, I'm happy with everything. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
mentioning that. I will make a particular mention over here that the worksheets that you see have been designed, planned and designed by Padma teacher herself. They're all absolutely what is as per the textbook. So these are planned and designed in-house. We have not purchased it from outside. They have been planned and detailed by Padma teacher herself. And it is keeping in mind the psychology of the child based on what
Yeah,
they're
that's very
learning
good.
in the subject. So you will see it will not have repetitions, but it will help us as a teacher understand whether the child has understood the concept or not. That's how the worksheets are designed. So they're not repetitive with the question paper and the summary or the question and answer in the textbook. They are designed differently. So this is for the teacher to know कि अगर ये submission आया मतलब बच्चे को ये topic समझ में आ गया. So yes, I need to mention this here that they have been personally designed by Padma teacher herself.
Great,
Thank
great.
you, Kavita, for mentioning that. But yes, that's a very, very important resource from the school. The Head Over Heels are not sharing their worksheet with other schools because they have made a request, but we are not sharing. We are yet thinking that we would soon start sharing our worksheets, but we are not sharing. Why? Because that needs an understanding behind. We don't want them to use as a worksheet. Ye baith ke karo, main bhi aayi. It is not for that. It is for the evaluation of teacher and not the child. We are repeatedly mentioning this, and that's the reason why we say that worksheet ko sambhal ke use karo, worksheet ko sambhal ke. It's a treasure of our school and for the child, for the teacher. So everything, the based learning is based on that. And we do not test children, we test our teachers. Teachers will know that if the child is able to do that, that means ye concept clearance ho gaya, let's go ahead. Now how to apply it, how to use it in our daily life is what they are going to take a step ahead. And eventually you will notice, if you could notice in 3 weeks of time, Rian's mom and others, you will eventually notice that there are so many beautiful things that your children are learning through morals, through values. And yes, when we say holistic development, our holistic definition is also different than what other schools think. We are not trying to make a good citizen of the country. We are trying to make a good individual, a perfect, independent, literate person. Wherever they go, whichever part of the country, they will only take virtues with them and good deeds with them. The value-based learning will happen. ये तो एक जरिया है. We also think that this is just a media where they will learn through. So story selection, word selection, the stories are also selected with, the teacher will select a story, it will go through a process, we will think over it ki kya ho sakta hai, what good qualities can come in and what are the bad things that the child may pick up from the story is also thought, and then the school shows the story on the screen. So trust me, the stories what they are sharing and what they are doing will give a positive effect on your child's learning. And thanks for appreciating Riyansh mom for the school. It
Thank you,
means a
ma'am.
lot to us. It means a lot to us. Thank
Yeah,
you.
stories are really helpful, and I also listen those stories, and really interesting. And I mean, kids are really listening that very seriously when it comes to cartoon story and all. So that's really good thing you are doing.
Trust the teachers send us 10 stories and we select this is better for your topic. So this is all our vacation homework we do, and we say, okay, this will come to the, you can display this and not any other stories. Age wise, level wise. Thank you. Thank you. Why we
Ma'am,
have got the opportunity for you all to understand through that prospect. And that's the reason why we are telling you all that this is the prospect we are looking at. You all also start looking at it in this way. Learning will happen. Trust us.
Ma'am, one-on-one PTM, you must be conducting after.
Yes.
We will be doing one-on-one at least another couple of months later.
Yeah,
Because right now children are too new with us, and we cannot right now be the correct judge of what is to be done, how it should be done. We are also too, we are experienced, but with this child this is our first time, so we need to give that much time and discuss with you in detail. So that one-on-one will happen later. One-on-one will definitely happen, but a little later. Gururaj's mother is raising her hand.
सेम one-on-one सेशन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं कि एक बार अगर
जरूर होगा, हाँ जरूर होगा, अभी नहीं, शायद से अगस्त सितंबर के टाइम में होगा, पर अभी नहीं. व्हेन हमको भी लगता है कि देखिए कहा जाता है कि साइकोलॉजिकली जब भी कोई भी न्यू चीज इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, whenever there is a change, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to settle. Okay, think about it when you're newly married, or think about it when you've just shifted to a new house, or think about it when you've just changed a job, and or even changed office space in a job. Ek desk se dusre desk. You will take about 6 to 8 weeks, it is said, to settle down. We need to give children that much or more time, and then we can start discussing about them. And when we are discussing about them, we would like them to be there. Today it's a parent-teacher meeting where only parents are required. But when we will be discussing about the child, we'll ask you to have the child also with us, because we would like to take feedback from the child on what they think about each teacher and what they think we should look to correct. So all those things will happen, but we will take another 2 months for that.
Here I would like to mention, if there is a concern where you need some guidance, or you want to share some particular thing, then you can ask for an appointment. We shall schedule. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको 2 महीने तक रुकना है. You don't have to wait for 2 months. आप बोल दो कि ये कंसर्न है हमारा, मुझे गुरुराज के बारे में कुछ बात करना है, और I want you all to know this. Then we can schedule it as early as possible.
Yes.
So write it, mention it in the group. Yeah, mention it in the group, and we will. You need not wait for 2 months, please. It's for all the parents.
Yes, Viha's mom, you're raising your hand.
Yeah, good morning, first of all. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank the entire team of Head Over Heels School, because that was quite a bit difficult thing that, being a parent, choosing a correct school is much more difficult than, anything else. Secondly, as Reyansh's mom also said the same thing, that in the previous school, they were not very, open to discussions in the school. It was like many children in one class, and never our child used to get a chance to interact with the teacher. So here I would like to mention that, yes, of course, it is not an individual perspective, but being a mother of a daughter, I feel that the teacher should give some time. Like, for example, there was a game which was played, I think, Find the Odd Man Out. Yeah, during that time, my daughter had selected, but she has that fear that I'm not able to express in English. And so she was looking at me and asking me, how do I speak in English? That is the thing. So she knew the answer. She could, tell the answer in Marathi, because her vernacular language is in Marathi. But she was unable to express her views in English. And that's where the teacher was saying that parents are not supposed to help. But every time parents are not helping, but it's the help which parent is giving for a child to express in English. That is where I felt I should speak up. Another thing is,
I will totally take that. I remember it was my class. I will totally take that. And I remember telling her, you can say it in Marathi also. Because I remember hearing the mother saying from the side, tu Marathi bol. And then I said, yes, Marathi may be answer chalega, but mujhe answer do. I want you to open your mouth and tell me something. So what happens for us is, we think the parent is prompting the answer. But when we realize that the parent is not prompting the answer, but just pushing that you know the answer, just say it in any language you want. That is okay. True. No issues with that. That's absolutely fine.
Yeah. Another thing is that in her previous school, it had happened that the teacher was constantly shouting that parents are prompting, and there where the confidence of the child gets demotivated. And that is why, children also hesitate to talk. But here I felt that yes, the teachers are giving chance to each and every child, but the only thing is that they will need some time to interact in English. They might, yeah, they might speak up in Marathi or Hindi, in whichever language they are comfortable in. And if the teacher accepts the answer in whatever language they are saying, would be much more easier for the child also, because they know the answers, but only thing is others can interact and only our children are not interacting. That feeling comes to their mind, because earlier schools, there the teachers demotivated the child not being able to speak in English.
True.
So this is what the concern was. And one more concern is that if Hindi and Marathi, the Barakhadi and whatever the basic, if can be recapped, because earlier school they used to rush over the Hindi and Marathi part. Marathi was not introduced, but Hindi was there, but they used to rush because it was only a 15-minute class in a week. So it was difficult for the child to learn Hindi in 15 minutes. So if I can request the Hindi teacher and Marathi teacher, if they can recap the entire IE, would be helpful for the child.
Sure. Okay,
And
we
I
got
would
the message.
Sure,
Yeah.
feedback taken. Sure, no problem. Definitely. And I would also say that you encourage your child and prepare her. In fact, this goes to all parents, that you always tell your child that you be prepared, that you are going to be heard. And if you're not heard, you please send a voice message to the teacher that, you know what, in your class I was giving the answer, but you didn't listen to my answer. Let the child speak up for themselves. Do not feel sorry for the child at all, because the child must speak up, child must have the confidence. And even if the child feels not heard, they should open up and say, I was not heard. Okay. So I'm sure it will take a while for the child to build that confidence, and they'll actually be surprised कि ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? बिल्कुल हो सकता है. Okay. So if you feel as a parent that my child was not heard, then please ask the child to say that to us. Okay. You don't write for the child. All right. You hold on to that mic button on that WhatsApp and tell the child, you tell in whatever language you can, you tell the child. You need to communicate to the child. So what we are trying to do here is building the confidence in the child to communicate, irrespective of the language. Okay.
Right.
So do let the children know that they can talk. If their turn is missed, they must tell the teacher. We've had children do that to us. They are very bindas with us. They will say, teacher, I was giving the answer, you didn't hear only. And then the teacher actually writes, I'm really sorry, I didn't hear you. Don't worry, in the next class, I'll definitely give the first chance to you. But if the child felt that, they must express it, and they must express it, not the parent. So you don't write. You tell the child, talk. You want to say that, you talk to the child. ठीक है, भीड़ में तुम्हारा आवाज सुनाई नहीं दिया, अभी तुम्हारा आवाज सुनाई देगा, बिल्कुल बात करो. Okay, so encourage her to talk, and gradually also this thing of, my child knows one language and not the other, this is a very fine line. Okay, where it always is confusing even as a counselor. When do we stop giving the comfort of that language that they know and move on to the new zone of a new language? Okay, so I would say leave that to the teacher. We have Padma teacher, highly experienced. Snehal teacher, she has, special educator she is. They will definitely find out ways in which, and that's why they are language teachers, in which they should bring out that language from the child. Leave it to them, they will do it. It will take time. Let's be patient. Let's not get judgmental. But whenever the child feels कि मेरे साथ गलत हुआ है, उसको बोलो फोन पे हमको बताए. ओके, पेरेंट मत लिख के भेजो, क्योंकि पेरेंट का इमोशन उसमें आ जाता है. बच्चे को जैसे लगता है, ऑनेस्टली बच्चे को बोलने दो ऑन द फोन that this is how I felt. Let the teacher take it up. And trust me, nobody is here to judge the child. We will all take it up very positively, and that's something I'm saying over here openly. Definitely, no issues. Anything else? Any other parent would like to say, share? Yes, Nehal teacher wants to say something. Yes, Nehal teacher.
गुड मॉर्निंग पेरेंट्स, नमस्ते। मैं हिंदी और मराठी लेती हूँ और मुझे 2 चीज़ें आपसे शेयर करनी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हम क्लासेस में गाने या फिर स्टोरीज में प्ले करती हूँ। मोस्टली हर क्लास में एक गाना एंड एक स्टोरी तो कंफर्म रहती है। उसके पीछे यही एक रीज़न है कि अगर मैं कुछ स्टोरी बताऊँ और मुझे बतानी है हाथी की स्टोरी और मैंने हाथी का चित्र दिखाया, हाथी का, बट वो चित्र देखेगा वो उतना कितना छोटा होगा, बड़ा होगा, वो देख पाएगा, दैट इज द थिंग। बट अगर मैंने उसका वीडियो प्ले किया, वो हिलता है, वो कैसे चल रहा है, ये पूरा उसे देखने के लिए उसे एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, इसलिए ऑडियो विजुअल्स हम यूज करते हैं। सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट कि कितना भी हम वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन करें, जैसे कविता मैम ने कहा, बट अगर हाथी की आवाज या फिर गाना है, अगर मराठी में गाना है नाच रे मोरा आंब्याच्या वन, अगर मैं बोलूंगी कि नाच रे मोरा आंब्याच्या वन, सो वो उतना अच्छा लगेगा या उतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा जितना म्यूजिक के साथ प्ले हो रहा है, वो जल्दी बच्चा सीखेगा। दैट इज द ओनली रीजन कि हम वो गाने प्ले करते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि बाबा 30 मिनट्स का 10 मिनट ऐसे ही टाइम पास करना है इसलिए हम गाने बजा रहे। अगर आपको याद होगा, हमारी हिंदी मराठी के जो एग्जाम्स होते हैं वो तोंडी परीक्षा एंड लेखी परीक्षा, ओरल टेस्ट एंड रिटन टेस्ट। तो ओरल टेस्ट में मोस्टली ऐसा होता है कि सिंग वन सॉन्ग और एक कविता लर्न करो या बोल के दिखाओ, कोई स्टोरी बताओ हिंदी की मराठी की। तो उस टाइम पे अगर मैं हमारे अपडेट्स में लिंक भेजते कि जो कुछ देखा है हमने, तो आप वो घर पर भी प्ले कर उसे रिवाइज कर सकते हो, बच्चा वो लर्न कर सकता है कि हम उस क्लास में जब एग्जाम होगी, ओरल टेस्ट या रिटन टेस्ट, तब उस टाइम पे लर्न करने से अच्छा है अगर वो हर क्लास में 2-2 मिनट 4-4 मिनट का गाना सुन रहा है, तो उस एग्जाम तक उनके 2-4 गाने ऑलरेडी लर्न हुए होंगे। उन 4 गानों में से कोई भी एक गाना वो बोल पाएगा और उससे वो आ जाएगा। जैसे वो गाने सीखेगा, कहानियां सीखेगा, सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन सीखेगा, तो वो ज्यादा इजी होगा और आप जब भी चाहिए तो आप वो लिंक खोलकर देख सकते हो। दैट इज द ओनली रीजन वी आर प्लेइंग स्टोरीज एंड सॉन्ग्स। ओके, एंड द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दैट कि अभी जैसे आप आपकी बच्चे की नोटबुक में देख रहे हो कि अभी हमने जो शुरू किया है कि लेटर, सब, स्वर एंड व्यंजन, मतलब हमने काना मात्रा अभी कुछ शुरू नहीं किया है। 2 लेटर के वर्ड से या 3 लेटर के। हमारा प्लान है मेरा कि नेक्स्ट वीक से मैं काना के शब्द से, फिर आ के शब्द, ओ के शब्द, पूरी 12 खड़ी रिवाइज की जाएगी। पूरे उसके इससे रिलेटेड वर्ड्स लिए जाएंगे, उससे रिलेटेड जो लिंक्स है, मतलब आपको वो 12 खड़ी के अगर सिर्फ ओ के सिखाई है मैंने आज के दिन, तो उसका लिंक भी भेजा जाएगा। आप उसको घर पर भी वो दिखा सकते हो और उसकी प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हो। सो डोंट वरी, वो पूरा 12 खड़ी भी लिया जाएगा। उसके बाद में सेंटेंस पूरा लिखकर वो रीड करने के लिए बच्चों को एनकरेज किया जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much for detailed explanations, Nehal teacher. Very nice. Anyone else? Anything else that you would like to say, share? या फिर you are not able to think about something right now, या फिर शायद शाम में याद आएगा, so please don't hesitate to just write to us on the WhatsApp group. Whenever there is any feedback you want to give about your child, feedback to us about our work, or raise any concern that your child is facing, your immediate solution is to write it on the WhatsApp group. And if we need to talk and discuss it, we will just arrange for a virtual meeting and we'll get it solved within a week's time. Okay. So like I said, 1-to-1 करना है, वो formally 1-to-1 रहेगा. That will happen after 2 months. Like Padma teacher ने कहा, जब भी कोई भी issue रहेगा, just write to us immediately. Yes, Vihas ma'am.
Actually, the teachers are doing their job so well that we don't have any issues. We are really happy with the teachers. We are really happy with the learning part. And really, I see personally that the children are really enjoying the classes. So we don't have any personal issues with any teacher. Like, only the concern is that previous school they were not taught certain concepts. Yes, I immediately contacted Bhumika teacher, and she has really made sure that the child has learned that concept. And I really appreciate that, that yes, the teachers are taking effort, and whatever you are saying, yes, we are doing it. Though we came to know that we are supposed to do it in this meeting, but earlier also we contacted the teachers personally, and we have made sure that the concepts are clear. So I would like to thank the teachers that they are taking so much of efforts personally for each and every child, where I've not seen this in any other school, as I've mentioned to you also, ma'am, while we had a chat. So it is really awesome. Giving personal attention to each and every child is really difficult, but teachers in your school are really taking effort, and they are doing it, and that is really a appreciation from the parent side.
Kudos to the
Thank you for
teachers.
mentioning.
Yes, really.
Good job,
Ma'am, I
teachers.
just
Cool.
ma'am, I just have last thing to say actually. Actually, I mean, I don't have a fixed time, fixed work time actually. So I usually work for 13-14 hours, and sometimes I don't get time to, for his homework. So if anything delays for one day, then consider that one day I'll try to complete the same day. But if not, so his father also, busy in his work, and he says, no, you do everything, because everything, what is going on and what. So I sometimes I'm not able to complete the same day. So for that thing, I'll definitely submit the next day, but I'll ensure to submit as said by the teacher. I mean the specific time. That's it. Yeah, I just wanted
Sure.
to tell you.
Sure, we shall consider this. But yes, once you decide, then I think you will be able to do it as early as possible. Just have
Yeah,
that
yes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
You know why I'm saying,
See, I'll tell you
that
something.
because the
First of
learning
all,
has happened on that day. The learning has happened on that day, and if they revise it on the same day, it becomes better for them
Completely
to recap this.
Yeah,
But
ma'am,
we will
completely
consider
agree.
this. Don't worry. Thanks for mentioning. We will definitely consider, but won't be like, every time 24 hours.
No, ma'am. Actually, he don't sit. That's why I have to sit with him, leaving all the
Right,
work,
right.
and we don't have domestic help nowadays, so that it becomes little bit difficult to manage work.
Understand.
And that's it.
Understand.
No.
Now, also the other thing that we mentioned at the start of the call, and you were not there at that time, was homework is something that you are not supposed to help the child with. Okay. All you need to do is let the child know what is the homework. Okay. You just need to tell him कि इस पेज में तुम्हें ये करना है. All right. So अगर वो उसको उस पेज में करने नहीं आता है, या फिर वो किसी वजह से नहीं करता है, okay, you are supposed to just send a blank picture saying he does not know to do it or he is not doing it. All teachers are reading all those messages. We don't want parents to teach in the house. We are very, very clear about that. When a homework is given to the child, you just need to guide them कौन से पेज में करना है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, बच्चे को समझ में आना चाहिए. अगर आप उसको सिखा के करवा रहे हैं, तो टीचर को लगेगा कि उसने अपने समझ से किया है जो टीचर ने उसको सिखाया है. ओके, सो अगर उसने गलत किया है तो हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि उसने गलत किया है. इसीलिए अगर उसने कुछ सॉल्व किया है और आपको लगता है वो गलत है, प्लीज आप उसको इरेज करके उसको करेक्ट मत करिए. ओके, उसने जैसे उसको लिखा है आप उसी का फोटो हमको भेजिए, तब हमें पता चलेगा कि इस पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट में इसको इश्यू है और हम उसको रिपीट कर सकते हैं क्लास में. लेकिन अगर पेरेंट करेक्टेड वर्जन आप हमको भेजेंगे तो हमें लगेगा कि बच्चे को आता है, तो हम इस चीज को रिपीट ही नहीं करेंगे क्लास में. So we don't want parents to teach in the house. We don't want parents to correct the homework also in the house. So इसलिए आपका काम एक्चुअली आसान हो जाएगा अगर आप बोलेंगे भाई ये तुम्हारा होमवर्क है, फट इसको खत्म कर दो. एंड कोई भी होमवर्क ना 2 रोज के बेसिस में आई डोंट थिंक 10 या 15 मिनट से ज्यादा लेता है, बिकॉज इफ दे हैव अंडरस्टूड वो सब जल्दी खत्म कर देते हैं. और अगर उसे नहीं आता है आप हमको बताइए, और अगर वो नहीं करता है क्योंकि आपके बैठे बगैर वो नहीं करता है तो ये भी हमको बताइए. टीचर उससे क्लास में पूछेगी तुम्हारा होमवर्क नहीं आया, क्यों नहीं किया, let's see what he says. Okay, so वहां पे you keep that open communication with us saying that ये बैठा ही नहीं मैम मेरे साथ कल करने के लिए भी नहीं बैठा, तो इसलिए इसका होमवर्क नहीं आया. Now then you leave it to us, we will take care of it.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
If
See, that's
teacher
what
says that you
home
have to
assignment
take
should
it-
not become a burden on the parent. That's not what we want. Home assignment is just a reinforcement कि आज दिन में क्या पढ़ा वो उसको वापस करना है. It is just a reinforcement for the child to do it himself. अगर आपको बिठा के करवाना पड़ रहा है, then you please let us know कि ये नहीं कर रहा है. We'll take care of it.
नहीं, वो खुद से करता है. The only thing is I need to sit beside him. That's it. Otherwise वो बोलता है don't help me. I know to do this because he needs appreciation.
Good.
हाँ मैंने
सही.
वो he don't
सही, सही,
allow
बहुत
me to.
सही.
You know,
Good.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
think
ठीक है.
Vian's mom would like to say something.
All right.
Vian mom was raising
Who?
her hand.
Ah.
Vian.
Okay.
Hi, good
Hello.
morning. So thank you for the teachers. Like I'm very much happy about it. Like Vian has shown me lots of improvement. And my only concern is like he doesn't understand Hindi and Marathi. Both the letters seem to be similar, and even I myself was confused which is Marathi and which is Hindi, and I couldn't teach him. I know Hindi letters and I know to distinguish. I know to read at least. I'm not better in speaking in Hindi, but at least I know to read. But I couldn't teach him the pronunciation of Marathi, as well as I couldn't distinguish the differentiation between this Marathi and Hindi. And when he's asking about me the same thing, I couldn't teach. I was showing him the worksheets and I was telling him that this is Marathi, and he told me no, this is Hindi. So I don't know what is the actual difference, and I want the teachers to tell him the pronunciation.
Oh, well.
So
Okay.
I want him to
All right.
know the pronunciation, and I'm little worried actually. Like, will he know this Marathi thing or the Hindi thing, which is happening around? I want him to cope up with that. Baki all with all the subjects, I'm fine, and he's also happy about it, and he's very much interested in attending the classes. So I don't have any issues, and you're all doing a great job. Thank you.
Hi Ilan,
Thank
how
you.
are you? अरे Ilan भाग गया. I think Ilan was
Thank
right
you for
behind you.
mentioning. There he is. Thank you for
Hi
mentioning
Ilan, we
that.
are Vian's teachers. Hi Ilan, we are Vian's teachers. Your teachers will come later on. Okay? We are all Vian's teachers. Okay. So Vian's mother, one little response on that is the literature that you will see for Hindi and Marathi is similar. Okay? The letters that you will see in Hindi and Marathi are similar. Okay? That's why if you can read Hindi, you can read Marathi also. Because the letters used are similar. दोनों में क ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, दोनों में म ऐसे ही लिखते हैं. They are all similar. There are 2 or 3 letters in Marathi which are more than Hindi. Okay? But you do not have to worry that he doesn't know it. Once again, you do not have to sit and teach him this language at all. We have 3 other parents in this grade who are not coming from a Hindi or Marathi background. And we are telling them very clearly, you do not have to teach them. Okay? Teacher is teaching it to them from scratch. Those children who have been with us in senior KG, they already know Hindi. So you will see that some children in our class in grade 1 pick up Hindi much faster, and therefore pick up Marathi also very fast. Okay, because they've already learnt it in our senior KG. It's a part of our senior KG curriculum, introducing the letters, the Bara Khadi. But in grade 1, it is done all over again in detail. Okay, and now it is done for both the languages together because the letters used in both the languages are same. दोनों letters same है. Only कुछ letters join करने से इसमें एक अलग meaning होता है, इसमें एक अलग meaning होता है. That's it. Okay. Now, if the school was going to teach French or Spanish, we are not expecting parents to start Googling and learning that language. No, no, no. It's for the teacher to teach it. So similarly, leave Hindi and Marathi also with Snehal teacher. Don't Google, don't sit and don't teach. Yes, the worksheets that are given, those are for Hindi. Okay? Because they will mention over there as Hindi. He doesn't have worksheets for Marathi because the Marathi textbook is a textbook come workbook. Okay, the grade 1 Marathi textbook that he has, it's a textbook come workbook. So whatever is going to happen in Marathi for grade 1 will be done in that textbook come workbook itself. Okay? But as a language, don't teach him. Leave him. Snehal teacher will take care of it. Don't worry.
And he is not
You don't have to
understanding the
teach him.
story,
You don't need to know the language also.
So he won't understand.
And she asked him to repeat from the home assignment. She's asking him to recite or understand, reciting the story back to me. When I asked him, he's not understanding it, and I told him to ask to the teacher again, and he is refusing to ask. I don't know why.
So just encourage him, like I said, you know, to Vihar's mother some time ago, वो WhatsApp का वो audio long press करो and tell him to tell us exactly how he feels. Teacher will take it up from there. Tell him, you tell the teacher that you didn't understand. Why will I tell? I understood. But you tell teacher you didn't understand. Then she will teach you. Tell him that. Yeah, don't worry. You don't have to know the language. Okay. All right. Anything else? Anybody else? Okay. Other teachers, they've actually gone to the other grade because classes, the PTM in the other grade has started. So that's why Snehal teacher was not here to answer this. Otherwise, she would be here. They have moved on to the next grade because the PTM has started there. Anything else? Anybody? Anything that you would like to ask or say, or we are fine?
No,
all good.
Fine.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Yes, Vihar's mother.
How will the evaluation take place, ma'am? I mean,
We will have a session with parents on how it will be done. Before the examination, we will be having a PTM, and there we will explain how these things will be taken care of. Okay. So right now, don't have to worry for grade 1 with evaluation. Teachers have already started evaluations. You wouldn't have realized it as well. It's for the teacher to figure it out. So evaluations have already started in classes, monthly evaluations. But you wouldn't have identified it because it is for teacher to know कि उसने जो सिखाया बच्चे को समझ में आया कि नहीं. So evaluations have already started. But term-wise evaluation कैसे होगा? That we will explain in a proper PTM where all parents are present.
Okay.
Yes, Sita's mom, you want to say something?
Yes, first of all, I would like to I would like to say one thing, that the parents, the students, parents who are new to this school have chosen a right path for their kids' future. Definitely, for my kids are in the school for past 3 years, and I have seen a lot of change in my kids. And you can see overall change in your kids. It's not just studies or something or the academic things. You will see the means as a personality development also, means whole development as a total, as a change. You will definitely see the change in your kids, and definitely the teachers are doing a great job, and teachers and kids relation is also very much important in every school, and teachers are maintaining that, and the students are able to follow the teachers very easily. I'm giving the assurance as a parent because my 2 kids are studying in this, my children are studying in this school for past 3 years, and they're enjoying a lot, and literally I saw so much of development in overall development of the kids, of my kids, as a students of this school. Really wish you all good luck, and definitely you'll see the change in your kids.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sita's mom. This coming from you really makes a very big difference.
It means a lot.
Teacher!
Yes, Sita.
Teacher and Manish.